So hi, I'm Saksham Thakur, and as you know, I'm on this journey, and my monk mode is on. But my monk mode is really not working because I can't like fulfill my principles and all. But I'm working on my tasks, which are like studying for boards and trading. So today I want to show you like how I trade, and there is one setup I want to show you. Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, so here is the setup. So this is the, as you can see, this is the daily chart. Now, as we can see here, I have created some zones that are the institutions where they want the price to come and then buy from here, and and so we have marked that places. Now we have just done our thing in the daily chart because we're not gonna trade in daily hours, daily time, but we're gonna go in 4 hour now. So 4 hour is now more clearer, and you can see the reason of my these zones. This was a rally, then it set it a base, then it became a rally. This is RBR, this is rally based rally, and now we just set up the zones right here. This one is because it has broken this point, so I have like selected this zone. Then comes this zone, then comes this one, this one, and this one. These all are the points where the institutions are gonna click and get the orders of the retailers and use them in their favor. For example, you can see this price moving from right here. This is the institutions where they bought one trade, where they took some orders. Now it's their rule, okay? It's their rule. They cannot just buy at any price. They have to create that discounted price, and for creating that they need to manipulate the market, they need to manipulate the retailers, and so yeah, we can see that manipulation with so here was the first order. The price goes up, goes up. These big candles, explosive candles we call them, is because of the institutional trading. Then comes a comeback, not a comeback but a pullback. This indicates the manipulation of institutions to let the price come down at a very specific point and then pick the trades from there, pick the remaining orders from there, that point, which are these points. Now I have in this move I have created, like I actually aimed for 4 trades, which I could get a very lot of like profit from it, which was I'll show you. First was right here, the second was right here. I set up which I set it up. So the problem which happened, my stop loss got hit because of my like I'm learning, okay? So I was not aware of like setting the correct stop loss. My stop loss got hit 2 times. That was a sell trade. 2 times it was a sell trade, and my analysis was right. The move was right. The move you can see right here, it went down, and that was my analysis. And just because of my little mistake and my which I had planned for 15% of just risk, so sticking to it made me realize that yeah, we just not have to stick with our plans. We have to moderately, like we have to alter them somewhat, and because of that stop loss got hit. Take profit got also hit, but after my stop loss got hit. So yeah, and after that, now I'll show you. First trade was here, second trade was here, but I did not miss 2 trades. Learning from here, I then made this trade, not this trade, but I also set it up this when it comes here. And then first was like from here, and the second was from here, and it went all good. I made 500 or 600 from one trade, and 400 or 500 maybe from the other one, and that was in one day, and I made like 1,000 in one day. So with the now what we are seeing right here, now comes the main right now situation. Now as we can see my markings, okay, it was like this. Now comes the consolidation part. The market is consolidating. These are, first of all, is this then comes this, then comes this. These all points are the points where that there is a internal support, and most of the retailers do one thing, they buy from here, buy, and now as they have seen this buy point, there are buying, this is a buying area for retailers, right? Now what is gonna happen here, right here, right here, they have bought, and here are the stop losses where I have marked this yellow point. Now as I have marked it, the price is gonna come down, hit their stop losses. Institutions gonna take their stop losses as the selling orders, and they're gonna convert it to buy orders, and that price gonna shoot up like this, cutting all their stops, cutting their trades, cutting their profits. Their money is gonna get to the institutions, and that is they're gonna buy from that place, and then the price gonna shoot up. This is the fundamental concept of institutional trading, how institutions manipulate the market. And also there is some like volume aspect also, we have to see the volume. And yeah, so this is all I'm waiting for, one trade which I'm telling you the price will shoot up if I get that trade, if my analysis is correct. Like 4 times I have got it correct now in this chart only. And if I get that right, it's a very big trade, because if I even just aim for like this point right here, and setting a stop loss right here, this will be around, risk to reward will be 12. Look, imagine I'm risking 15%, I'm getting 15 into 12, you can do it, I'm getting that much. So if I'll show you right here, if I get this trade right, I will buy from here, and after that setting 15% will be this much I will risk. And now I'll do it into, let's do it 10, not 12, 10. This is the amount of profit I will be getting if this trade works. And according to my analysis, it should. Not every time it does, because market is not unpredictable, but sometimes news like that also make the things different. So yeah, this is all which I wanted to tell you, show my analysis and all. And yeah, so let's see if this all works out. And yeah, hope for the best, mainly hope for success, and even if failure comes, I'll learn from it. Yeah, thank you.